Good day, everyone. Today, I'm going to share to all of you the societal problem present in Aurora, Zamboanga del Sur. So I choose underemployment among the fresh graduates in Aurora, Zamboanga del Sur. It is a common challenge because many young people finish their studies but struggle to find jobs that matches their skills, degrees, or career goals. Since the municipality of Aurora Zamboanga del Sur has limited industries, few companies, and mostly agriculture-based jobs, fresh graduates often end up accepting work that is outside their fields or offers only low pay and part-time hours. Some take temporary jobs in online teaching, small shops, local offices, or farms that like simply to earn something. This situation creates frustration, low motivation, and financial stress of a fresh graduates because many graduates feel pressured to support their families or repay educational expenses to their parents, yet the opportunities are available. Others consider migrating to cities like Cebu, Pagadian, Cagayan de Oro, or even outside Mindanao because they believe better job options exist elsewhere. As a result, underemployment affects not only their financial stability but also their confidence and long-term career growth, making their transition from school to workplace. How can this be a cause of stressors among the people living in Aurora? It can be a significant source of stress because it creates both financial and emotional burdens for young adults and their families. Many graduates struggle to find jobs that match their education or skills due to the limited number of industries and employment opportunities in the municipality, forcing them to accept low-paying, part-time, or unrelated work just to earn a living. This situation often leads to feelings of frustration, disappointment, as their hard-earned degrees and years of studies do not translate into meaningful career growth or financial stability. The pressure to support their families or contribute to household incomes adds to the emotional strain, while the uncertainty of not knowing when a better opportunity might come creates ongoing anxiety. Some graduates may consider migrating to other cities or regions in search of better work, which can lead to stress associated with leaving family, adjusting to a new environment, or facing the risk and cost of relocation. Additionally, underemployment can affect mental health, resulting in low self-esteem, a sense of stagnation, and even tension within families as expectation clash with reality. Over time, this combined pressure to financial stability, career frustration, family responsibilities, and uncertainty becoming chronic stressors that significantly impact the well-being of quality of life of a fresh graduates living in Aurora. How can you as an individual help to solve it? I can help to address underemployment among fresh graduates in Aurora by facilitating community-based projects that create practical work experience and income opportunities. For example, it could organize or participate in youth-led entrepreneurship initiatives such as online retail vendors or service-based cooperatives where graduates can apply their skills for earning, encouraging partnerships with local government units, public employment service office, and NGOs can also expand access to livelihood programs, scholarship grants, and employment assistance tailored to graduates. Promoting awareness of remote work and freelancing opportunities is another effective approach, as digital jobs can overcome the limitations of a small local job market. Mentoring programs, peer support networks, and workshops on career planning, interview skills, and financial literacy can equip graduates with confidence and practical tools to navigate the workforce. Additionally, by combining skills development, networking, entrepreneurship, and advocacy that can actively contribute to reducing underemployment among fresh graduates while empowering them to build these sustainable careers and strengthen the economic resilience of the municipality of Aurora. That's all. Thank